Hey everybody, it's Rohdy here at Bonnyville Dodge. It's day 5 of Megadesk. These are the Megadesk Diaries. We've been doing okay so far. I think Jeremy's eating my lunch over here. Travis has been stealing all of my gum and candy. He's currently staking out at reception. Other than that, everything's been going okay. We are sharing a desk with Brittany, our internet and marketing manager. She has threatened violence against all of us at this point, I believe. So things are a little tense here at Megadesk. And oh yeah, I'm supposed to remind you guys that we're still open during our renovations, and we have a lot of great deals going on here at Bonnyville Dodge. So until next time, this is Rohdy signing off from Megadesk at Bonnyville Dodge. We're open 9 to 6 on weekdays, 9 to 5 on Saturdays. Open the whole time during renovations. We want you to come check us out. Give me an excuse to go take a test drive, get away from Megadesk here, because things, we're getting pretty tight around here. Everybody is getting a little bit on each other's nerves, and I can use a timeout. So come on by. Let's go for a test drive. I'm right at the front door. I'll be the first person you see. Please help me.